we extend our warm wishes for the new year 2024. I'm here to share some latest construction update about Hyderabad's largest integrated township, Sansa County by Oro Tatwa at Palatial for the fourth quarter of 2023. So, let's get started.
We are perhaps the only project in to do 12 lakh square feet of construction in a calendar year, which is of 500 G+2 villas. Now, for the ease of understanding, this progress update for Sector 1 is divided into 4 zones. Zone 1 consists of 262 villas and all structural works have been fully completed except the waterproofing work which is in progress. Zone 2 consists of 232 villas for which the foundation and substructure work are 60% complete. Also housed in this zone is the first clubhouse, the construction of which is expected to start soon. Zone 3 consists of 306 villas for which the superstructures of about 210 are complete while the waterproofing work is in progress. The substructure is complete for rest of the villas. Excavation works has commenced for the first of the 2 clubhouses in Zone 3. Finally, Zone 4 consists of 153 villas, out of which the substructure is complete for about 90 villas and the substructural works have kick-started for the rest. Overall for Sector 1, works related to internal road formations, underground electrical cables and water connections have commenced. Infrastructural work that is creating the primary access to the project with the formation of a 24-meter wide and 2.4-kilometer long road is in progress. Structure of the main entrance gate is complete and finishing works are in progress. In Sector 2, that has recently received the TS RERA approval. Excavation works has commenced and we shall keep you updated with the progress of that sector.
While this completes the construction progress for now, we invite you to stay connected with us for more updates. Thank you for joining us.